It was so cool for a second. We were having such cool moments, and then... You good? Okay. Favorite thing about Tubbo?
How sexy I am.
That, yes, that. He said it, not me. There it
Fox say bing bang bang dang bang ding bang bing bang ding bang bang.
Dream. Why did you just do that?
Dream. Dream? Well, Dream.
Called you Clay then. How's that make you feel?
I don't know. That's my name, so I assume pretty normal.
Call me by my real name, Dream.
Okay, Tomothy.
Anyway, guys, that's the end of the series. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that like button just like I smashed your mom.
Oh my god. We're going on a trip, my Enderman friend. Dream, come back. We're going to the end, me and my Enderman friend. Feed me! Feed me! It's here! It's George!
Alright, now that Dream's left, quick, I have 12 eyes of Ender, let's fight the Ender Dragon. Let's get a bunch of Elytras and then distribute them to everyone with 12 shulker boxes each and just ruin the server forever. Let's go. Let's go. Hold on, I'm getting banned from the server. Oh god, oh god, oh god. JK. JK. You see, he logs in as Dream XD because Dream and Dream XD are actually separate beings, alright? Dream XD has canonical access to creative mode, while the regular Dream is just like some homeless Teletubby that hey! Haha, JK.
Guys, that was a joke. It may or may not be unnecessarily, maybe not taken. Okay, let's not worry about that. Okay.
Hey Dream, look, hashtag George Not Found is trending.
Wow, hashtag I don't care. George is a Disney princess. George.
This is so funny.
I never knew you were a Disney princess.
I love it.
You never told me. George went back to his bed. He laid down and tucked himself in like the little Disney princess he is. Pad's favorite song is "I'm a Barbie Girl," and he's sung it before too.
No, I haven't.
Dream blonde. No, Dream dyed his hair pink.
Oh, Dream!
How'd I miss?
Lamau, you're gonna get wrecked!
You sound like. That's what you sound like. Grass! Grass!
We have Steve for guys, and we have Alex for girls. But they just recently added Tyrone.
Ah, they're still here! Why are they still here? God!
Your hair looks super flat right now.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Philza! Look out!
Chat.
What are you looking at, prick?
Get out of here! No! Bitch, Sapdaddy's here.
No, you're not alone. 'Cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
Fly me to. Let me sing along the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. Ah, thank you.
Someone just said, "Go, white boy, go." That's poggers. Oh, that's poggers. That's not poggers. You speaking to? I'm not talking to myself. What the hell's that noise? What the hell?
He's just watching an entirely just. Hey! No!
Turn that off! Turn that off! Turn that off! Turn that off! Mods! I was rewatching my very first mic. So next time I'm thinking, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, die, 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 die. Alright, so... How is that? How is that even? How is... No, no, no. That was what I needed, that was what I needed.
With a bad bitch in his ear saying that she down for whatever. In the back of his mind is Coretta. And she knows. She knows.
Drag my feet along the floor. Then I see you. You're walking across the campus. Cool professor studying romances. How am I supposed to pretend?
I can't believe that it's finally me and you and you and me, just us and your friend Steve. Do 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 Steve. Do do do.
Why aren't you talking?
I don't know.
You know, I'd walk 1,000 miles if I can just see you tonight.
Die, don't cry. Just look up to the sky and say,
Is anyone in there? Hey, bestie. Hey!
I like the color gray.
My mom didn't feed me today.
I believe I can fly.
Why are you British? Die.
Oops, I fell in a ditch.
Did I stutter, stupid bitch?
I found a shell.
Oh, there I go, down to hell.
I have a flat tire.
We didn't start the fire!
I like the number 4.
And I'm a gay dinosaur. Let me get in you. How do I get in you? What?
Sometimes all I think about.
Let me ride you.
Sometimes all I think about.
Let me drive you. Oh my god.
Just came out as trans, welcome to the boys. Welcome, man! Oh, you're always in the boys. God, I need a different word for that. Never want people to feel like they're not welcome. I'm not gay, but if I was, there's nothing wrong with it. You know what? Maybe I'll see gay as a compliment. Idiot. Nice one, nice one. Ice Tay, you look like a fool. You're like a homophobic fool.
Carl Jacobs is cute.
What are we talking about again?
how cute you are. I'm looking at Carl's shoes, I'm thinking, wow, that's something I'd want to wear. And I look at mine, I just don't think the same thing. For some weird reason.
It's because it's something I'd want to wear. You have to promise that you're still going to be on my karaoke show.
I promise.
Which is the final Carl Nap meetup before Sapnap rips Carl's heart out and leaves.
Ready?
I'm not going to stop wasting money on Pokemon cards until I get to see my fiance frown one time. Sapnap, I need you.
Say it again.
Sapnap, I'm going to need you on this mission.
You got me.
Kick it.
Bro, I get scared to sleep alone at night sometimes.
You don't need to worry about that while you're here.
You know?
That way, whenever we skate, we can think of each other. Fuck, love? Hold up.
Love. Oh, I love it when you call me love.
If that pulled up outside your house, you'd think, oh no, a drug dealer is here.
Look me in the eyes. Don't do drugs, Trista.
How's the sex?
Do not read that book. Do not read that book. No. Where are you? No. Tristan. No. I will. No. You idiot. Hand that back.
My friends call me Dick.
Penis! What?
No.
What?
No.
Genitalia of the men! What? Holy fuck! Yowski!
Thumbnail faces.
Yep. Here's my thumbnail face.
We installed the balls mod into Minecraft. And maybe there'll be a twist at the end.
Oh, that'd just be painful.
Can I get away from me? Can I slap it?
Send this to someone. Roses are red, violets are blue, rainbow is hotter than you.
They tell me I'm a god. I'm lost in the facade. 6 feet off the ground. At all times I think I'm feeling odd. No matter what I make, they never see mistakes. Making so much.
So please hurry, leave me. I can't breathe. Please don't say you love me. I think of the night in the park. It was getting dark and we stayed up for hours. What a lie, what a lie, what a lie.
Forget your zodiac sign. What 3 Marvel characters made up your personality?
Hi, George. Fuck, I fucked up.
Who the hell is Gilreg? R.I.P. that Rombu. No.
It looks like I'm having a panic attack.
Used to have safety railings, but Wilbur, he just really enjoyed falling to it.
Please, it's the court. I would like to say that my opponent is talking shit.
Maybe I'll prime tomorrow, maybe I won't. Why are you British? Die.
Sometimes all I think about is you.
And then we'll put in the green clay.
There's a dream inside of George not found.
Sometimes all I think about is you.
You gonna enter and she twerk? Shake it.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Sometimes all I think about is you. Sometimes all I think about is you.
Find a way to talk to
Sometimes all I think about is you.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like,
kill the lights, so baby, close your eyes. The way you're looking at me, you got me.
Dream SMP, you got Sam Pam. You got Timmy Ain't It. You know, George came home.
Hello? Hello?
I have your rat. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna swallow it whole.
No! I'm rat!
I'll eat your rat, and I will lick the meat off of its bones.
How does this? I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed. Turn it to this!
'cause this is my last resort. Suffocation.
In the daytime, I'm Marinette. Just a normal girl with a normal life. But there's something about me that no one knows yet. Because I have a secret.
I'm gay! I'm gay for Jared.
You're gone and I gotta stay high all the time to keep you off my mind.
I know.
Daddy, let the other children go see her. Why won't you let me go?
Daddy?
Don't look at me and say that.
Welcome
Come
back
on,
for
man,
another
it's
night of
There's a whole
stimulation,
fucking
pivotal
like
career
30,000
choices,
people here.
and
You can't just do
self-reflection
that.
on past mistakes.
You can't just do things like that.
Committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing
irresponsible.
right now. Using the keypad below, please select a new companion voice. For male,
just
press
irresponsible
1.
to do things
For
like
female, press 2.
I'm sorry.
For text only, press 3. For other
Back, I'll wash your mouth out with this wet ass. Look at me, worship me on your knees. Can't you see my panties are filled with big dick energy? I make money and I get dick too. Your husband's dick was the last I screwed. We fucked for 1 minute, but he came for 5. Paramedics.
Is here saying that she down for whatever. In the back of his mind is Coretta, and she knows, and I know she knows.
What normal people hear versus what Dream SMP fans hear.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
Under the tree, bum bum bum. Under the tree, bum bum bum. I am a dog under a log. Under the tree, bum bum bum.
I wanna be the person you do.
This waiter's getting my tip.
Dirty mind, dirty mind, dirty mind.
No one in chat call me fat. If you call me fat, I'm gonna be so fucking mad. What fucking year is this bread from?
Broke ages ago. I need a new keyboard. This keyboard's pretty big, man.
I have one.
Nice. Worth my thing, I've had them for at least 4 years. Oh, it's getting that time now. It's getting that time. Hit yourself in the face with the wrist rest sort of time, you know? That was funny.
It's your Whipple, Skinny Nipple. It's your Fable, Mr. Table. It's your Broy, Chips Ahoy. Oh my god, guys, new fastest bridging method in... Oh my god, a dead body.
What? If the crown fits, wear it.
Look at where you came from, look at you now. Zuckerberg and Gates and Buffett, amateurs can fucking suck it, green boy!
1,000 times I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots. I've got no roots. I've got no roots, but my home.
Wonderful kid. Oh, that's so epic.
Just
Get
save
him out.
it.
Get him out.
You're ugly already.
Get him out.
Just
Get him
save
out.
it.
Get him out. Get him out.
Did you call me
Bad,
ugly?
get him out. Bad. Get him out.
I'm just kidding.
Get him out.
Get out of here, muffin head.
Thank you. We don't need that.
I'm not ugly. I'm beautiful.
Came here to the party for
Rambo? Call me it. Bad. No. Good.
I'm not trying to make a friend or fall.
Clay. Rip.
will be.
Me at you.
Big Daddy. Go.
We pretend that
Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars.
I could really use a wish
Right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Can we pretend that
Planes in the night sky like shooting stars.
Ass fat, 40-inch hair, yours came in a pack. Camel so fat, you can see it from the back.
Go Callahan, go Callahan, go! Go Callahan, go Callahan, go!
Shift. You ready?
Yes.
Oh, that is a lot more. That was weird. I've never done that in a disco call before.
Another cave?
Oh my shot!
Oh, go in the
Dream!
Oh my god.
What's
They're
on bad
connected, Your Honor. They're
about?
besties, Your Honor. They're besties,
It's
Your
like
Honor.
it's like when you pair two Bluetooth devices. That's us.
And he
we're
goes,
paired.
wait, listen, and he goes, boop, 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 boop.
You're gonna run up, turn around, and jump in.
Okay, just be careful. Don't fall. You can slip. You can slip.
Cannonball! You better move, child. You better move. Serenity, move!
No, we don't do this.
Oh. Sir, can you spell economy?
Of course. A.
Tommy, stop being sexist.
I'm not being free, and that is just awesome. Oh, there I go, down to hell.
But without the B. Sus.
No boy, you sound like one? No, just because I punched a kid doesn't mean that I was a bully.
Waggity, I can't hear you.
What do you mean?
I'm way too high.
Oh my god, is he blind? Do I have to do sign language?
All these chickens running around going.